probably remember us as Spader Business Management, but we're part of the NCM family now, and we couldn't be more excited than to participate in this year's MRAA Dealer Week. Today I'd like to provide 3 tips about managing your inventory and the cash that's within it. First, if like many dealers, you've seen somewhat of a slowdown in sales and you may have some older age inventory that you've been paying curtailments on, now's a great time to detail that information and make sure all the people in the dealership who need to know where that equity is. I'd recommend adding an additional column onto your sales analysis. Sales price, original invoice, and I'd add flooring balance onto that. So at any one time, you've got a very accurate list of the equity that you have in your inventory. Take that list and get out on the dealership yourself. I know it's the role and the responsibility of the sales manager, but owners and general managers need to know exactly what condition all of their inventory, particularly the old age inventory, is. Is it clean? Is it decorated? Is it ready to sell? If not, you don't stand a chance in this market. Finally, give some thought to doing away with spiffs and flats and minis. If you think about the way a customer buys, they're looking for value. When they see more, they pay more. A flat or a mini doesn't do anything to incentivize a salesperson to build extra value. Instead, it subtly disincentivizes them and contributes to the idea that I just need to get this sale to the desk and get it done. Consider using different variable pay programs. Commission programs that reward a salesperson for an increased selling price, whether that's starting the commission structure from below invoice or paying a higher commission. Either way, it has the same impact, encouraging the salesperson to build value and getting the customer excited to buy.